This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. To start, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click at this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can go ahead and launch the app. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, you will need to undergo a very simple and short setup procedure. So in here, you need to choose whether you are ready to set Opera as your default browser right off the bat, or you can simply skip this step and configure your default app for browsing later. And in here, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.